My name is Nahin Valazquez, and I work for Cornell Forge Company. I am a maintenance supervisor. I have to supervise all the employees under me. We got to keep the manufacturing plant running. It's not limited to electrical, mechanical, repairs, upgrades on a daily basis. Definitely a good electrical background, manufacturing background, schooling with mechanical aptitude. The sooner you start, the better. There's so much to learn. Definitely good work ethic and endurance should be the prime key mover for this to succeed.